So in this question, it asks, what are the four quantum numbers for an electron in the following orbitals? So we'll look at those one by one. So the four quantum numbers are N, L, M sub L, and M sub S. So it turns out it's pretty easy. So for N, it is the large number in front. So N equals 4. The letter next to it tells you what L has to be. So for L, we know that S equals 0, P equals 1, D equals 2, F equals 3. So L here has to equal 0. Now M sub L can be allowed values of negative L through 0 to positive L. So if L equals 0, M sub L in this case has to be 0. And M sub S could be plus 1/2 or minus 1/2. But in this case, it says, what are the four quantum numbers for an electron, not for both electrons? So this has to be either plus 1/2 or minus 1/2, not both. So I'm going to be negative 1/2. So now let's look at the next one. So N equals 6. L, in this case, is going to equal 2. Now, M sub L, in this case, could be negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, or positive 2. But you get to pick any one of those options. I'm going to pick positive 2. And for M sub S, now I'm going to pick plus 1/2. So for M sub L and M sub S, they just need to be allowed values. They don't have to be these values that I picked. So let's do the next two. For 4F, N equals 4, L equals 3, M sub L equals, in this case, let's pick negative 1, and M sub S still plus 1/2. 3P, N equals 3, L equals 1, M sub L equals 0, and M sub S is plus 1/2. So I'm going to erase this table, not really all of it, just enough to give me a place to write a note. So these, you must choose any allowed value. You shouldn't pick all of the allowed values, just any one. And the allowed values are determined by L, which is determined by the type of orbital.